Hello, my name is Daniel Gelach. A warm welcome to you from the MIWE Live Baking Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily prepare grilled vegetables with the MIWE Gusto snack. Well, on our display we have 4 buttons on the lower right side. The one on the far right there, that's the power button. We'll just press this one and the MIWE Gusto snack is ready to go. On the left you can see the cooking programs that are included here. There are up to 250 programs and 30 of them are already preset in the factory and in several languages as well. And I'm going to select grilled vegetables and then confirm. Okay, so the oven is now preheating. Well, for every program you can store detailed information such as, well, a list of ingredients or the steps involved here. And now we're going to slice the vegetables here. And now that those vegetables are sliced up, we're going to marinate them with oil and salt and some pepper as well. And top it off with a touch of rosemary. And now we mix everything together well. And we're going to use one of my favorite accessories from the MIWE Gusto snack. That's the griddle or pizza plate. Well, the plate there, it has 2 sides. It's got a smooth side for tartar flambe and pizza, and a rib side there with grill strips. Absolutely ideal for the grilled vegetables that we're going to make here. And here is my tip, okay? Order the griddle when you order your oven. Simply spread those vegetables nicely and evenly so that, they don't overlap. And the great thing here is that the griddle doesn't necessarily have to be preheated, because I can lay everything on it when it's cold, since it heats up extremely fast. And this means I won't get burned, and it's just very easy to handle. Perfect timing. The acoustic signal there. I now know that the oven is preheated. So the oven shows us with the animated icon that it's ready to be loaded here. And with a push of a button, the door opens and I can load up the oven there. The baking program starts automatically as soon as I close the door. Now what's great about the MIWE Gusto snack is that we can use the top heat and the circulating air at the same time, which really is good for preparing evenly cooked grilled vegetables. Well, in this case here, the top heat ensures a nice even brown, while the circulating air heats the griddle in such a way that we get those nice grill marks that we all like. At this point you can decide if you want to keep baking, for example if the vegetables are not crispy or brown enough there, and we'll now choose just to bake for another minute. And of course, I don't want to have to bake for an extra minute with each batch of grilled vegetables, so I'll simply adjust the program. Just simply go to the menu and change the total time by selecting the Grilled Vegetables program. Just look at those lovely grill marks. Aren't they amazing? Incidentally, you can use the grilled vegetables to make antipasti or delicious snacks, but we'll reveal more about that in another video there. And if you've got any questions about our MIWE Gusto snack, then just visit us at miwe.com or just follow us on Instagram. Thank you.